Welcome to Omega Rubber Industries, India's leading manufacturer and exporter of high-quality rubber tapes. Our range of ultra-tacky butyl rubber tapes includes double-sided butyl rubber tapes. Omega double-sided butyl rubber tapes are available in black and grey color, and they are ideal for various applications. These tapes are particularly useful in sealing the lab joints of pre-engineering buildings where they provide reliable protection against water, air and dust infiltration. The use of butyl tape in lab joints helps to distribute the load evenly across the joint, reducing stress concentrations and improving the overall strength of the joint. These tapes are also effective in sealing irregular surfaces and can maintain their sealing properties over time. Even in extreme temperatures and weather conditions, these tapes can be used for a wide range of applications, such as sealing joints of silos, skylights, polycarbonate sheets, glass facades, manhole covers, ventilation fans, box culverts, and installation of EPDM membranes on roofs. Butyl rubber tapes are available in various sizes. Some of the most popular sizes are 6 mm into 5 mm, 10 mm into 2 mm, 12 mm into 3 mm, and 20 mm into 1.5 mm. We can also customize the sizes to meet your specific requirements. Butyl aluminium flashing tape. Omega butyl flashing tape is a versatile and easy-to-use adhesive tape for instant waterproofing applications. With its simple peel and stick design, it is an economical and multi-purpose solution to your water leakage problems. One side of the tape has an ultra-tacky butyl adhesive protected by a silicone release liner, and other side is reinforced with aluminium foil for UV protection and long-lasting durability. Omega butyl flashing tape is particularly useful in preventing roof leakages due to holes, cracks and joints in various kinds of roofs, including asbestos roofs, metal roofs, polycarbonate sheet roofs, etc. It is also used to prevent water leakage in bus roof, railway roofs and to stop water leakage in export containers. It is available in standard widths of 50 mm, 100 mm and 150 mm. It can withstand extreme temperature variations and is UV resistant, providing long-lasting protection against water leakages. Its peel and stick design makes it easy to use, even for do-it-yourself kind of projects. If you're looking for a reliable, economical and long-lasting solution to your water leakage problems, Omega butyl flashing tape is the perfect answer. Butyl fleece tape. Omega butyl fleece tape has butyl adhesive on one side and on the other side it is reinforced by fleece or non-woven fabric. The advantage of fleece is that it can be easily painted or plastered. Easy paintability offers the advantage of matching the color of the tape with the color of the roof, thus giving it a very good look. You can also apply cement plaster on top of the fleece tape to make the area waterproof. Please contact our experts to know more about our products.